Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm getting ready to cook some mustards and turnips, and I have spinach that I will show you. I'm going to mix all these together right now. I have my bacon grease and a little piece of butter in here. I'm going to put these in and then these, and lastly I will put in the spinach and I'll show you those. And I've already um, boiled some smoked turkey necks and they're in this crock pot, so I will be using those as well, and I will come back and show you what I'm doing here in Patty's kitchen. Okay, y'all, let me show you what's going on in my kitchen. These are the mustards and turnips mix, and these are the spinach. Well, this is the spinach, I'm sorry. And I'm not going to put the spinach in until this is just about done because it doesn't take the spinach very long. I added a teaspoon of better than bouillon uh, here, and I added this container of chicken broth, and I cooked my meat in the pressure cooker and it's done. And these are some of the young turnip roots, so I'm not going to put those in there because I don't want to cook all up, and the meat is really done, so I'm not going to put it in right now. But once I get everything together, oh, and I might tell you, I used a little seasonal, some garlic and onion powder, and I have some red peppers in there. As you can see, I cooked my meat in the red and yellow green peppers. So I'm going to add all of this to the pot, and I put a half stick of butter and a little bit of bacon grease, and the bacon grease was beef bacon grease. And I'll come back when I add the spinach and add the meat and all of that and let you see what is going on in this kitchen. Okay? Okay, y'all, I am back to show you the finished product, and this is my meal for tomorrow: mustard greens, turnips, spinach, and smoked turkey necks with some turnip roots. And I love this pot liquor. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen. Thanks for joining. Please subscribe, like, share, follow. Tap the notification bell to be reminded of all uploads. I love y'all. Have a great evening. Bye now.